Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel with another interesting question of mathematics. In today's video, we will solve it and show how multiplication is so easy and interesting. Let's start this solution. First of all, our question is 16 raised to the power 2 into 5 raised to the power 7. How we can write it? 16 we can write as 2 to the power 4, then to the power 2. 2 to the power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 16. So in place of 16 we can write 2 to the power 4. Okay. Next, into 5 raised to the power 7. We can write 5 raised to the power 7. Okay. In next step, we write 2 to the power 4 into 2. We know a to the power m, a to the power m to the power n. We can write as a to the power m into n. Okay. So we can write 4 into 2. Then 5 raised to the power 7. Next step, we write 2 to the power 4 into 2 means 8 into 5 to the power 7. Okay. Next we write 2 to the power 8. We can write as 2 to the power 1 into 2 to the power 7. 7 plus 1 makes 8. So we can write 2 to the power 8 as 2 to the power 1 into 2 to the power 7. Okay. Next we write 2 to the power 7. Okay. Next we write, we can see 2 to the power 7 and 5 to the power 7. We know a to the power m into b to the power m. We can write as a into b to the power m. Okay. So we can write 2 to the power 7 and 5 to the power 7 as 2 to the power 1 into 2 into 5 to the power 7. Okay. Next step, we write 2 to the power 1 means 2 into 5 to the 10 to the power 7 means 10 have 7 0. We write 2 into 10 have how many zeros? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 means 2 into 1 and 7 times 0 multiply. We have 2 into 2 and 7 times 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now we get our answer. I hope you all are understand it well. If you have any queries and doubt, you can comment down below. Till then, keep watching my videos. Thank you.